He left everything in it. It's almost like he pulled it out and wanted me to go fishing with it. Oh yeah. Alright, YouTube friends. So this is the new boat that we just picked up. As you can see, it needs a little bit of cleaning. It probably hasn't been buffed or anything. You can see the old name tags all right there. The old name of the boat is there. There's some minor holes that have been filled that we're going to sand down and take care of it and buff it up and clean it. So this is the new edition. It's a 2003 Trophy 2509 walk around. It's got a Yamaha 250 outboard with a 15 horsepower kicker. It's got the offshore bracket, original from factory. Goes all the way down here. You can see it's in pretty good shape for what it is. Again, everything came with it. Give me a minute and I'll climb up inside and I'll show you what the inside looks like here in a second. Trailer, all new trailer brakes have been done. New hubs, new rotors. All new brake lines, went with the rubber line brake lines. Everything is in really good shape. Looks like it runs pretty well. So give me a second. I'll climb outside and show you guys what the inside looks like. All right, inside. All right, it's the hard top. It's got the glass goes all the way up to the hard top. One of the things the wife absolutely wanted. Make sure we stay dry and also the wind and you don't have that convertible Jeep feeling. It came with a 60-gallon live well that we're going to put back in the position in the center where it was. It's missing the bench seats, but we're going to build some bench seats. They're really easy to build. And then it just needs a real good scrubbing. I mean, if you see, it's been fished. So it needs to be cleaned. So that's what we're going to do is we're going to clean it really well. Probably replace a few minor things here and there. You know, places like this where he put some gel coat, we're going to sand that down, make it look good again, brand new. The walk-arounds, they all look really good. All the non-skid looks good, doesn't look broken or worn off. We're getting brand new seats for it. I already got those on Amazon. And then in the cabin, get down in the cabin, you can see the cabin needs to be cleaned out, dried out. It's got a little bit of dampness from sitting. And clean it up, vacuum up, get some of the stains out. Might have to replace the headliner. I highly doubt it, but I might have to get into there. And just toilet's all working. Again, toilet's down underneath there. That's another necessity for the wife that she needed to have that. All right, sink. It's got a 20-gallon water tank, fresh water, and also a black water holding tank. Came with a Lowrance HDS 12-inch. And then one thing I kind of like about it is up here, these here are all cushioned, so it really cuts down on the echo. There's just some minor little things that need to be taken care of on it. Obviously the deck needs to be scrubbed and cleaned. And if you can see underneath here, all your batteries and everything are from the transom. This needs to be cleaned. That's what we're going to work on the next couple of weeks. It's going in for some maintenance on the end of the month. It's going to get a 600-hour service. Again, you know, storage units in there. Everything just has to be scrubbed out and cleaned and get it looking a lot better. So I'm going to take some pictures. I'm going to do a little scrubbing, a little washing today, and then get this thing cleaned up for you guys. So hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions or anything, feel free to post below.